Hi, this is your session. We're live. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so we're gonna do our analysis today. We are here. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so we're gonna do our analysis today. We Okay, so on daily time frame, we are just consolidating as per consolidating means we're just printing the candle side by side, and we did broke below the resistance, the support level, and we just went back and we just closed bullish yesterday. So we have our support down here somewhere, and our resistance is somewhere around here. Yeah. So this is our region, and then we actually what my analysis is, what my how I create my daily buys is that um, I go down on time frame from daily to 4 hour, then 1 hour, and then 30 minutes, and then 15 minutes. So we're at daily time frame, and we can see it's, it's nothing much happening over here. On 4 hour, we're gonna see what's happening on 4 hour. Yeah, we just marked over the resistance. Um, I would go for this resistance. I wouldn't go for this because I don't really because it's traffic over here. We'll see if the smaller time frames give us clear information about the but on 4 hour time frame we're just here, and on 1 hour we we are yeah we are just right about if we see our resistance over here on 1 hour, we have almost doesn't okay. So we have a good resistance over here. So okay, yeah, we have good resistance over here, and our support level would go about here. And okay, we're just in. We just broke uh, our support level on 1 hour time frame, and we see on 30 minutes we will see what's happening here. Okay, so our resistance, our support, I just keep confusing between support and resistance. Okay, whenever I see a line I call it resistance, but this is on the downside, this is support because price is pushing back up, and from the top it's a resistance, and it's resisting the price to go up. So it's a resistance, and this is a support level. So we are at a support level of um, around 45.10. Okay, so 45.10 is our support, uh, and yeah, so this is a 30 minute, and this is our resistance level. From if we break above this level, we have a clean range of 250 pips. Okay, that's a good range. That's a good range. And if we break below this resistance because it's almost the same. It's 250 pips either side. Okay, so no matter what side we break out, we have 250 pips. And what I think out of 250 pips, it should be good to manage about having 150 or 70 pips because the market's not going to give you the whole this fall. The candle might close about here like we talked yesterday. Um the candle might close like this, and then we have to measure our range from here to here. It's like 180 pips, 190 pips. So like I said, um, but if the candle is big, I'm not gonna go in because that's against my rules. So yeah, this is 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna 30-minute and 15-minute is my confirmation that if it's going down, then it's good. But let's see what happens. We are here about okay. This is our resistance. Actually, the candles itself are telling us a story over here because when we are uh, at this point, uh, you see, it came down from the support and it tried to push back in, but it gave a good resistance and it made an exhaustion wick and it just ended up. It's a bullish candle, but it didn't close above this candle. So we are in a good downtrend right now. So okay, about 4 hour in 4 hour we are in downtrend. In 1 hour we are in a downtrend, and in 30 minutes we are in a downtrend, and in on 15 minutes we're in downtrend as well. So 15 minute it's just consolidating. If you see this area, if I go through this area, the candles are printing side by side. It's sometimes trying to push up, it doesn't go up. It's trying to push down, it doesn't go down. So we're at a support level. It's a support level. It's getting stronger, and so the amount of time a market stays at level, it it starts making it more stronger and stronger. That's what I believe that. So right now we're at a support level, and yeah, if we break below this level, we are happy to get around. Okay, the range is getting bigger now. It's 320 pips. So even though if the market's closed above here and we are happy to get it, but my rule for the time is to get one ratio one into one. But if I have a good setup, then I might go and I might trail my stop loss, and it's a long story. So if we do like this, we go like this, and yeah, we might go like this. Okay, we at right now the time is it's pre New York, and on pre New York we have um, we have volume. So we are having some volume, but if we break below the support level, only and only if then we are expect, yeah, see, the price is going down, but we will wait for our candle to close. There is no jumping in the pool without the water is to level. That means if the candle is not closed, we're not jumping in the pool. So we'll wait. Okay, so we'll see our news for today. We have, okay, this is the best thing to do if you are serious in trading and you're not looking for news. If you're into gold, especially, I would suggest if you want to trade gold, do go for the news. If you're not into the news, I wouldn't appreciate that. So so we have okay, so Iran Supreme Leader has ordered that nuclear weapons grade uranium must stay in Iran. So we are not going to have a deal. So unfortunately, we will have some fight between some bulls. So we're in pre-New York. London is just at 12:39 p.m. and we had news in the morning for AUD. There might be some in the morning. I did took a trade in the morning. I closed early on one. We have Bob barely speaks. Okay. Uh, so no major news for USD. So the market should go clean. We shouldn't be having some disturbance at all. Okay. So let's see our market. See if we've been impatient and we say okay the market's going down, we could have jumped in, but we didn't jump in. We are waiting to for the market to close in our direction, in our favor, so that we can go down. It's a good support level. We have support over here, we have support over here. Okay, yeah, you see it was resistance before, it became it was resistance before and now it's support. But if we look at the news, news is not good with us. Uh, at the moment, no, we're not having a good day for the news. We are expecting to have, because of what Iranian supreme leader said. Okay, so for now, we don't have any news, and we are waiting for our market to close. I'll tell you what trade did I took in the morning. It was good trade. I woke up because these days Asia is giving us some volume rather than London. London was the one who used to give us the volume, but London is not doing that anymore. That's why I skipped the London session and I don't go for London anymore. So at the moment we will see uh, which trade did I took in the morning. So yeah, it's an advanced concept. We were in a big we were in an uptrend, then market reversed, the buying bull candle started to shrink, and then we have a big bearish candle, and upon the closure, um, we broke below the wick of the previous candle, and then I took a sell, tick 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 here, and then I could have gone till here, but it was 1 to 1 or so. So I'm good. I'm good. So now forget that's history. Now we're looking for see the market's not good. The market's it's giving us some chills. We're about to close our 15 minutes, and yeah. Mhm. We are waiting is all you can do because you cannot just. If I would suggest if you're impatient, you can't go in. You can't trade because trading is all about uh, you know patience. And for this, what we're getting for wait. We are waiting for our setup to form. We follow our rules. Rules are the best thing. Oh, I used to um, hear in my childhood that the rules are meant to be broken. No, 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 no. You don't do that. No, no, you can't do that. You can't do that in trading. You can't break your rules. It's you see the candle closed just above the support. It didn't close below, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for the next candle because in the next 15 minutes we are having the New York session is about to start, and yeah, we are just in the middle of the road. Like nobody's. This is no go zone. This is this zone. You see our resistance over here. Even though we have clean range of 150 pips, even then I wouldn't be going for that because um, if I have a clean range for this, you see 250 pips, we could have trailed our resistance to here, but you'll notice that in upcoming time in the next 15 minutes there will be volume and it'll be engulfing the whole setup, and it might be closing above this, it might be closing about below this, but I won't go down this in this. I would go to a clean traffic on, like I said, look on your left side and you'll find your way. Mm-mm. We broke below resistance support. We cleared its resistance and then we broke below. We break above the resistance and now we're clearing support and now we are about to uh, break below our support. Yeah, yeah. My throat's getting dry every time I speak so much. I shouldn't be going so fast. Okay. Even though it's 150 pips, uh, uh, I don't know. I don't know whether to go on this side or not because whenever we're gonna get volume, we're not gonna get this. Hmm. Okay. So we wait till we get our cake. A piece of cake, not the whole cake. We just want a piece of cake. A friend of mine was saying just go once all in, but I don't want to go once all in. I made $21 in the morning, so I want to control myself, and I'll be looking for what I can find in the market today because it's a good day, Thursday. A good day is Thursday, and we see what week has been doing to the market. The week is doji. Oh my God, the week is not so good. Tomorrow is the last day. Mm-mm. Okay, the daily candle is just ranging. Okay, okay, okay. We done made two. Ta, ta. A lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So we are in a downtrend. Ta, 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 ta. You see, we came, I came, I saw, I conquer. Okay, we came down, created a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we should be creating some lower low. You know, we should be going down to here. But we're not gonna go. We're not looking for that. We're not looking for that. I know. I know. I know. Market's gonna make you full. I heard a quote yesterday and it said it's a lot more harder to convince you that a fool. No, I don't know what it was. I don't know. I just forgot. It was. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. It's Mark Twain quote. It said it's easier to fool people than to convince them that they have been fooled. Yeah, I heard that. I heard that fool quote yesterday. I thought I like it. I like it. Mark Twain. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Oh, that's a very, very good thing to, you know. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything because the lie comes with a trail. You have to say 1,000 lies to cover one. So if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. You just tell the truth and you're done. So and the market's not telling us the truth. So we have to remember what market's doing. Yeah. So market's consolidating, the New York is about to open and we're having no volume, no freaking volume. Boom, no volume in the market. We will wait. We will wait for market to close below. We. You know, some people I see so many people on Instagram. They post so much things like you need this chart, you need to have this chart, you need to follow this line and this. No, not everything that's difficult is beneficial. No, you can be just simple and you can get your money. See, it's not that hard. I took 21. It's how many dollars? Um, 55848. Took me 10 minutes. 40 pips. Yeah, 40 pips in the morning itself. So when you're getting something a lot more easier than you think, you shouldn't be going. What I would say that if you're getting a thing, an item on a wholesale price, don't go for retail because wholesale price is cheap. Is more benefit. But that's that's something I know for my own. I try to make myself believe in these things, and it turns out for me to believe, and then they turns out for me in a profit or in a beneficial way. So so right now we are just waiting. I know waiting sucks. Nobody. Okay. Pow, pika, boom. La 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 la. Mhm. Whenever you find yourself on the side of majority, it is time to reform or pause and reflect. Yeah. Oh my God. This is so good. Mark Twain just said, "The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read." Oh my God. Oh my God. How awesome it is. Like the man who cannot read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. Oh yes. Okay. There's an expo happening, book fair. May 14 to 23. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, the 35th Doha International Book Fair 2026 is held on May 4 from May 14 to 23 at the Doha exhibition. Okay, the ECC. Yeah, I'm down to go there today. I'm down to go there. 15 to 22, 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. 16, 21, and 23. Okay. Entry is free exhibition. Distributors 36 participating countries and 515 publishing houses with 910 books. Oh, cultural spread. Okay, I'm gonna go today. I'm gonna go. But for now, we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. Ah, nobody's showing up. I don't know. But, but, we'll wait. We'll wait. We will wait. We will wait. Yes, we will wait. Yeah. Boom. The only thing in my strategy is I look for volume because the person oh, and about yesterday I skipped my webinar from Daniel Holmstrait. I follow that person a lot. He's gem of a person. He is so reliable person. I I haven't took his mentorship, but everything I do in trading is from Raja Banks. The risk management I learned it from Raja Banks videos, and the strategy I'm following is of Daniel Holmstrait. These two persons are literally for in my view they're the best in the market. You get clean chart. You can see my chart is clear. You see, okay, the New York started. Oh, 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 yeah. See, the New York started, and we just have our candle to we'll have a candle to push now. Push, baby, push. Okay, what I was saying? Yeah, those two person, Raja Banks and Daniel Home Trades, they're the best in the market. Actually, the live stream I'm doing right now is because of Daniel Home Trades. Because I I was going through his live streams, and one day I thought I just go for the and look for the first live video. Uh, let's see what he says. And in his live, nobody was there. And so do mine. Nobody's there. There's one view, and then I don't know. Maybe it's real. But yeah. S- you know, I sometimes feel like if I'm doing this live stream, who knows, I get profitable and I get some payout just being on live and everything. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Finger crossed. I have to keep my focus on one thing that follow follow your rules. Yeah. I don't go for any currency pair. I don't know because I haven't seen a currency pair from a very long actually haven't seen for the one. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just feel like gold is enough. If you're good in gold, And now Raja Banks, he used to do GJ and currency pairs and gold. Now he do gold only, and that's what I learned. Just be good in one pair because one pair is enough for you. If you're good in one pair, you take one trade a day, you get profit. Actually, I had my profit of the day. See, I had my profit of the day in Asian session, but I'm just nothing, just walking around. We are we are waiting for our setup to form. It's sometimes it frustrates a lot. Yeah, yeah. For 8 a.m. New York started. We have no volume. We might have volume on NYSE open, and then we might get if we don't get any trade, we just call it for that day and gold with no drama. Someone just said it out loud. Gold with no drama. Uh, gold with no drama. No drama. Okay. We wait. That's what we are paid for. We're not jumping in. We're not hovering around. Ta-da. We break about this. 14, 140 pips. It's a good range, but I personally don't think so that the market's gonna give us this move because it's New York's open. If it goes above, it would the candle would might close about here, and nah, I don't understand why people just jump from here and there, and they should stick to a time frame or a pair. You see, we are breaking above this resistance over here. This resistance. But, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know whether we get this move or not, but I don't know. The thing we can do here is that to wait for another tier. Mm, mm, mm. Naughty, naughty market. Mm, mm. Push, push. If we see in 30 minutes, dodgy, dodgy, exhaustion, dodgy, ta-da, on 1 hour, pretty, pretty good. See, if we break above, well, this is a big wick. Hmm. We are waiting for meal to get cooked. So we don't get cooked. It's better for wait for meal to get cooked rather than you getting cooked from the market. And nah, I wouldn't like that to being cooked. I would like to have market being cooked. You see? Okay, 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 okay. Mm-mm. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I don't believe you. Bill market. I don't believe you. Water. Stay hydrated. Power. 3 minutes for canal to close. Candle. 30-minute confirmation is good, but at the moment, if somebody was just believing that the market just closed below this support, we have to make a sell and went that direction. Went, but when it went, you don't know. You see, it broke below this and boom, it just went back in. You don't, never. Yeah. You see, I just made this upper wick and now it's going down, down, down. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, it's getting cold. Market. Wait. Wait a minute. Who are you? See, just in the last few seconds, I would say less than 30 seconds, the market, okay, yeah, five, four, three, two, one, boom. See, the next candle. In the last second, okay, you see, it's making its low. You don't trust here. On 30 minutes, yeah, you see, yeah, wait. You see these projections getting up, going down. I mean, it's market. The sellers are good in control. It's sometimes it's just very, very sad. You see, okay, oh, okay. Okay, now now we're seeing some volume. Oh, okay. No upper wick. You see how much the sellers are from where the market started? It didn't even push a bit up, straight down. See? Damn. It is what it is, you know. The sellers are quite in control. Mm, 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 mm. La 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 la. No distraction, no nothing. We should focus on the market. We'll see what market's doing. Market do something good sometimes.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it.
Forget it. Yeah, there's nothing much to see for the market. Market, oh market, oh market. Yeah, the market's pushing down. We have almost 8, 9 minutes for 30-minute candle close, and we see if market closes over here, because over here we have 4,500 as well, and this is a psychological number as well. So we'll see what market's doing here, because it's a big rejection here. This rejection is big. This one, this rejection is big. But nobody nobody is there. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, okay. The market's the market's going down like it, ooh, like this one. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What in the name? If if the market's if the market's gonna give us a big red candle, it's a red flag. Oh, the spread is getting wider. The spread is wide. Yeah, that means a big fish just came in. Or Why the spread is so wide? It's just because 5 minutes left. Okay. It should, if the market closes here, then I might be going for sells. If the market goes down like this, why would you even do that? Okay, create your wick. I don't mind creating wick, but don't go further down. Okay, the spread is out. That means market. Oh, it shouldn't go back. Oh, okay, okay, okay. The big guy. I would say gold is a big guy. Yeah, gold is a big guy. Gold is a big guy. We on a 5 minute time frame. We have a closure below. We have a closure below this. And but our friend is 15. You see, whenever we see 15-minute like this, we start thinking, why are you doing like this? Like this. But, but that's fine. That's fine. You see, that's why I said I don't wanna go like this. I don't wanna put my sub resistance over here. Even though it goes above here for 140 pips, shit. But you never know. The market's going down. It might pump up. You never know because the news is very very high. Yeah, it should. Okay, it should close below the level. If it don't close below the level, no, I don't think so. I'll be going for the trade because then I will look for another setup. But I think so that the market would go would close. Yeah, if it closes like, oh my God, this is such a perfect scenario. But market is not gonna give you the perfect scenario. Market is a holy contrast. When you're thinking, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have a good setup, but just in the next second, it's like, ah, no, baby, you're not gonna have the best setup of your life. I'm just gonna just you can't just trust me in this fight. If the market closes like this, oh yeah, I like that. I like it. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 13 seconds, 10 seconds now. We see if the market closes like this, it's a good scenario. And sometimes market do give you good scenarios. Yes, 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 yes. Should we? Okay. I would wait 1 minute. I wouldn't jump in. Yeah, I wouldn't jump in. Yeah, yeah. It just close below. The candle is good. It should go a bit further back. I'm not gonna go on the first minute because if it goes the first minute, then nah, that's what I've learned. That was, that's what my rules are. You don't, yeah, 4505. Yeah, that's where our order goes. And our stop loss is, if it goes above this previous candle, then I'm not gonna take the trade because it didn't broke the high below the didn't broke the low of the previous candle, but it broke the high of the previous candle, so that means okay, the spread is wider and wider. Okay, okay, okay. So it's a no-go zone because it just broke the high of the previous candle, and the stop loss is very very big. Stop loss is, oh my God, no 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 no. This ain't happening today. I ain't gonna do that, bruh. Mm-mm. Even though, yeah. Mm-hmm. Or it might went back to take the liquidity of the previous candle, and if it retraces back and breaks below this level, then I might put my stop loss over here. And yeah, but I don't do, I won't do that. Honestly, oh, okay, okay. The ghoul is not coming down at all. The bird is flying high. Flying high. That's how I feel. Nobody showed up. That's what you need. That's what you need. I don't care. I don't care. Make me sweat. Make me harder. Da, 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 da. They just ruin our setups. Yeah, you're right. They just ruin our setup. Hmm. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Today is not. How long have you been in the market? Or how long have you been setting for the setup to form? And boom, boom. You know how many pips just this setup took? Ooh, 125 pips. Ooh la la. That's someone's. Oh no 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 no. I know, I know. The market's not going down. Okay. On 40 pips. If market closes above this level, we may go for buys. This is clean candle. Yeah. It could be a fake out because whenever a fake out happens, the market goes against it. That's what I've learned. Yeah. It was a big rejection. This rejection was strong. That's why. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my God. Bro, it's just 7 minutes. And you've traveled to the moon and back. 120 pips. And just 7 minutes and you're coming back down. Oh my, if we see 1 minute. I don't see 1 minute, but just look at the market. Ooh, it just skyrocket from here. A big rejection. A big rejection. No, the rejections are big on the both sides. You know, look for 5 minutes for. Yeah, ain't gonna trust them. I'm flying high. You know how I feel. I moved my support and resistance because I can see it's a clean range on the left hand side. I saw if the market breaks above what it did, I thought it would do this on this side. That's why I didn't trust it. But now I see this. It could be the fake out. It could be the fake out, and the market got reversed from here. If we see 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, gang member now. Ooh la la. On 90 pips. Ooh. On 15 minute. On 15 minute. We have 148 pips. We can have if we start from here. We can have ah see 100 pips. Let's see. Last 6 minutes. That's what I learned. We're not getting. We're not gonna enter in the last 6 minutes. Not 5 to 6 minutes. No. If the market could have given us a pullback on this, I would have thought, no, not anymore. don't know how I feel. And it was a breakout. It was a fake out. The people who jump right out and could have been stopped here. We we are disciplined. We know we know how the market wants us to be. But you know what? You know what? If the market, yeah, if the market closes like this, if this running candle closes just over here, I'll be looking for sales again. I'll be looking for sales again. You know, I don't know. But if only and only if the markets break above this resistance, then I'm gonna go for buy. Haha, that's my bias. And that's the buy. Bye bye. Yeah, excellent, excellent, excellent. You know how I feel flying high. You know how I... Okay. The market is testing our patience, and our patience is level 78. Yeah. 78 means level quite high. We wait our setup to form. You see what did I say? Psychological number over here, and it went back from here. I don't know if we break. No, yeah, market staying. 2 minutes for this candle to close. Oh, I don't know what's happening. I don't know that my battery just died again. It takes so much time. I need to have another spare battery. Yeah, The market's not well today, but it's good that I made some profits in the morning. We are waiting for the market to close above this, and it will be 9 a.m. Actual 9 a.m. The market NYSE. We know that NYSE opens at 9:30, but 9 a.m. is when the markets have volume. The market's not doing anything. Personally, nothing. There's nothing much happening here. Nothing much happening over here, and it's just consolidating. I don't know. Still waiting for some setup to form, to form, to form, to form, to form. Okay, I don't know. I don't know, man. It just sucks. It's okay. If we break below this, we might have some setup to form. It was a resistance before, now it's becoming support. Right, this support. We're down to 280 pips. Well, we will wait. We will wait for this to happen. 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 I don't know. I don't know, man. What Google is doing here? My camera battery just died again. I don't like this battery now. I don't like it at all. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, 5 minutes, and we see whether this candle break below this support and close down. Yeah, like this one. I like it. Like this. Yes. just like this. If we break below this, it's a good sell, but only if it closes below. If it doesn't close below, then I don't think so. It's a good thing. Yeah, we're just going down and 5 minutes there. You see, if someone was going for 5 minute time frame, that would have been stopped out. You see, if they were here, their their support would be here, and boom. Okay, everything happened. It retraced. It went back. Oh, good, good. Sell. And boom, it went up, hit their SL stop loss, and then it's coming back down. So never never underestimate the power of a common man. Yeah. Well, not only man, women as why would I say that? Yeah, it's just you need you see if the candles are painting side by side, it's consolidation, and consolidation hurts. No matter what happened, consolidation hurts. Charlie, it hurts. Yeah, Charlie, it hurts, and it consolidates. It shouldn't be consolidating that much. Oh, okay. You see, the last 3 minutes, the volume starts to come in. It's jumping up and down, 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 down. But we're not rushing anything. We are not rushing anything. You hear me? Good. Nobody's there. So I'm alone, and I'm not gonna rush. Nobody's, nobody, nobody, nobody's rushing. Yeah, the market. Ooh, ooh. Okay. I like it. The candle's quite big. The candle's quite big. Mm. So 50. Okay, if the candle closes like this, 2 minutes to go. If it doesn't go up, stays here, we will be happy to take a trade for sales. If it doesn't, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. Okay, okay, we're pushing. Push. Yeah, yeah, I get it. I get it. It's almost 9 o'clock. Just a minute and 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20, 19, 80. We're just waiting for our setup to form. You know, if we see we are in a downtrend and we are creating some, we created a lower high and we are creating a lower low. Get low. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. first minute. Phew. Oh, it's retracing. Here we go for cells. 4502. SM 4510. Okay, we've placed our order. Okay, how many pips? SM 70 pips. Mm, back in the range. 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 Yeah, it's just 2 minutes. The stop loss is very big. Very, very big. Okay, how many pips are there in the stop loss now? 100 pips, bro. 100 pips? Oh. mm, I guess if the scandal does not goes in our way, then I might be closing for the day. Next 4 minutes, if it comes back. I don't think so it's going to come back because this is the psychological level, and I don't know. I don't know. It's just a gut feeling. The next 5 minutes have been started. You're retarded. I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know, man. It's 9 a.m. in New York. I understand there should be volume, but I don't know. If it goes down, it goes down. If it doesn't go down, it doesn't go down through 2 minutes. If it doesn't go down within 2 minutes, no, I don't think so. We're gonna work for it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's coming back. It is coming back. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, orders are filled. I'm in a trade now. Quite risky trade. I don't know. I don't know. If it goes back, it goes back. It should go down. It should go down. It reversed a lot. It reversed a lot from the top, you know. It shouldn't go up now. It's a risky trade. I shouldn't have forced this three, but I placed my orders. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I genuinely don't know what's happening. The psychological level is there. It's rejecting so many times. I'm in a trade. It should break the 5 minute. It should break the 5 minutes. If it breaks this, I hope it should break. It should break. But I'm gonna wait. No matter what happens, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Let's see what happens. And okay, it's going down. Inshallah, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We are going to win, inshallah. Azza wa Jal. How many pips? 250 pips. 250 pips. If it breaks below this previous 5 minute, I know this volume. But the sellers are trying hard to bring it down. Yeah, it should go down. Please be my guest. If you're going down, guys, we're in a trade. We are in the trade. We are in the trade and we lost few moments. we're in a trade. It I find it funny sometimes. We are uh, eagerly waiting for a setup to form, and then when setup is formed, we we start we're in a trade and we start feeling anxious, and we are just having some. Okay, we go below. Yeah, we broke below the 1 hour candle as well, 1 hour support as well. Um, and if it go down, we will wait. This is RTT, TTP. This is RTP, TP, 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 TP. Running, running, running out of time. You know how I feel. We are in a trade. That's what we are. Right now, we are in a trade, and somehow we're in a profit. I don't, not a big profit, but inshallah, we'll take a TP today. We'll take a TP today. That's 1 on 1. We wait and we wait. We wait and we wait. That's what we do. That's what we do. We wait and we wait. We don't, we don't, yeah, you understand what I said. I rushed things yesterday. I don't want to rush things today. Yeah, I understand it sometimes frustrating. Sometimes, I don't know. It's just frustrating. You see, it was going down and it just pushed up so. Uh, why would you even do that, man? You, you took a breath out of me. Like, ooh, psychological levels should be considered. 4,500. Yeah, while we wait. While we wait. 9:30 to come up. Know what 9:30 means? 9:30 means 9:30. That's what it means. Yeah, 9:30 means NYSE. Big volume, big special in the poll. In the poll. In the last 7 minutes for the NYSE open. There's volume inside. There's so much volume inside. Let's see. We go for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is just getting a higher high now. It's usually low and create a higher high. The 5 minutes still open. Just broke below this level. Should go down. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll let my winners run. I'm gonna close. Let's paste my TPs. Okay, last 5 minutes. Okay. Let's see what the 5 minutes. Okay, close. Right. A good sound to push. Push, 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 push. Push, push. Yes, that's what I said. That's what I mean. That's what I said. That's what I mean. Yeah, 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 it's actually so stressful. You are winning, you, and there's fear of losing comes in, and it might go up. High volatility. You might don't get this. You might don't have it. Yeah. Last 3 minutes before this. Mm-mm, mm-mm. D1 open. DH1. Okay, yeah. It's clean. It's clean, you know. It's 9:27 New York. 3 minutes to go for SC happening. I should close below. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. I don't know whether I'm doing something good or not. I'm doing. Should I close? Should I not? I don't know. Yeah, I let it run because it's clean. You know, it's clean. It's clean as marbles. Clean as marbles. Okay, 9:30. NYSE open. Here we go, guys. We have volume. We have volume down there. Yeah, it should go down. You shouldn't go up. It shouldn't go up. Change the battery back. I don't know. And what's wrong with this? Or should I get a camera instead of this? I don't know. Yeah, push, baby, push, push, baby, push. Yeah, push. It's my NYSE open. It should go down. Push. Yeah, we're good. We're in a good downtrend. It should go down. I don't know. I'll let my winners run. Yeah, it should go down. Go, 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 go. Grab your steak. Yeah, grab your steak now. It shouldn't go up now. 'Cause it's NYSE. Yeah, that's what I was saying, you know? It shouldn't go up and it didn't. That's good. I don't know. You should go down. Be a good guy. Stop being lame. Be a good guy. You have your own will to go down, live your life below these levels and blow your. Okay, that's nothing. Not that's not gonna help. That's not gonna help. It's it's NYSC. Yeah, NYSE. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. NYSE is down there to give you the life you want. I'm gonna close one of my position over here. I'll tell my stop loss back here. I was close the second one as well. Did my thing today. It was good. How much we made today? 50 on one, 45 on one. It's like, and 21. Like 120 for a day. Yeah. It's a win-win day. It's a win-win day. It was a good day. We had a good trade. It was a risky trade, but we did what we could, and it turned out so well in our way that I I really I really enjoyed. It was a bit risky trade. It would the stop loss was very big, but I put my stop. That's why this. Oh, the market. You can see how the fast market just went up the moment I closed. I don't know. I don't know whether it's going up or going down. I don't know because you see my take profit was here. That was here. Oh, I don't know whether it's going down or not. I'm out of the trade now. And you know, when you're out of the trade, you feel so good. It's like, oh, there was a woman. Yeah, you feel like this. It's like it's dialogue from Peaky Blinders I used to watch. But it was a good trade, a good day, a W for the second day. We did some good trade today, and yeah, I hope I'm doing some good stuff over here. If we keep going like this, we I think so we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it. I'm having that feeling that I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna make it. So peace out. It's a clean range down. I don't care whether it goes down because I made just $100 out of that. I don't care now whatever happens to the market now. I don't care. So bye. It was good. It was good. See you tomorrow. Another stream, another W in the chat. No, not in the chat. Nobody's in the chat now. I'm gonna show you my trade history. Yeah, that's what we're showing. This is where I stopped my both of the others. Yes, both of the others. Yeah, what I did, I did 100 pips, man. What else do you need? 100 pips. Damn. And I don't want to be greedy. I just did one on one, and I two W's in 2 days. Wow, wow. How good it is. How good it is. Okay, see you tomorrow. Someone did showed up. Someone did showed up. I had 3 views now. Someone just showed up. My cam was off. I don't know what happened to it, but it was a good day. See you tomorrow. Good luck. The market played well. The volume was there. We had good entries. We had stop loss was good, but the market didn't retrace more. But see you tomorrow. You can see the markets just juggling around the place I just closed my. So one-on-one is the best thing you can do. So see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista. Bye bye. Bye bye.